Cybersecurity refers to the practice of protecting computer systems, networks, data, and digital information from various forms of cyber threats, attacks, and unauthorized access. It encompasses a wide range of measures and practices designed to ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of digital assets. Cybersecurity is crucial in today's interconnected world, where almost every aspect of our lives is influenced by technology and the internet. Key aspects of cybersecurity include network security. This involves safeguarding the integrity and security of a network infrastructure, which includes firewalls, intrusion detection and prevention systems, and virtual private networks, VPNs. Information security. Protecting sensitive and valuable information from unauthorized access, disclosure, alteration, or destruction. Encryption and access control are common practices in information security. Application security. Ensuring that software applications are developed and maintained with security in mind to prevent vulnerabilities that could be exploited by attackers. Endpoint security. Securing individual devices such as computers, smartphones, and IoT devices to prevent malware infections and unauthorized access. Identity and access management, IAM. Controlling and managing user access to digital resources to ensure only authorized individuals can access specific data or systems. Cloud security. Protecting data and applications stored in cloud environments, often through a combination of encryption, access controls, and monitoring. Incident response and management. Developing plans and strategies to respond to and recover from cybersecurity incidents, such as breaches or attacks. Security awareness training. Educating users and employees about cybersecurity best practices to reduce the likelihood of falling victim to social engineering attacks, phishing, and other scams. Penetration testing. Employing ethical hacking techniques to identify vulnerabilities in systems and networks before malicious hackers can exploit them. Cyber threat intelligence. Gathering and analyzing information about potential and current cyber threats to understand the tactics, techniques, and procedures used by attackers. Regulatory compliance. Ensuring that an organization's cybersecurity practices align with relevant industry regulations and standards. Security auditing and assessment. Regularly reviewing and assessing an organization's cybersecurity measures to identify weaknesses and areas for improvement. Cybersecurity is an ongoing process that requires constant vigilance and adaptation due to the evolving nature of cyber threats. It's a collaborative effort that involves not only technology but also human factors, policy development, and organizational culture.